In this video, I will show you how to print an Excel worksheet to actual size. So guys, if you have some data in your Excel worksheet, and you want to print actual size, so click on File and Print. Also, you can use the shortcut Control P. Now here you will see the setting. Click on this drop down and here select this option No Scaling, print sheets at their actual size. So you have to select this setting. No scaling, print sheets at their actual size. Now here you will see some different. So this is the actual size for this worksheet and print it. So this is the way you can print your worksheet on actual size. Thanks for watching.